Hello everybody, welcome to the Ari and Kari channel. I'm Ari.
And I'm Kari.
And today, Ari's actually sitting here. Usually I do the JM Bullion by myself because usually I'm the one that buys it and stuff like that. But I ended up buying Kari her first piece of silver. So that's why she's here right now. Alright, this is another packaging video. It hasn't been opened or anything. I can't flip it the other way because it has my address and stuff. But yeah, so you go ahead and do the honors of opening it up.
As soon as I get my coin, I'm ready.
And before we get into it, if you could go ahead and like this, if you want to see more videos of like silver and gold that I buy. Also, if you want more videos from us, go ahead and hit the subscribe. And there you go. So when she's unpackaging the box, usually I go over how much it was and etc. So I bought this December 23rd, 2020. Wait, 2021.
Okay.
And at that time of purchase, silver was at $22.99. The coin that she got, well, we'll let you see it. Well, anyways, no, I'll go over it. So the coin that she got was a 1 ounce Monarch Egyptian relic silver bar. And that was $29.01. And the silver that I got was a 1 ounce Scottsdale Archangel Michael. And that was $33.99. But I think it was because obviously you're not going to be buying the silver at its price when the market is, you know, there. Because, you know, obviously everyone got to make their money. And I'm sure they probably priced mine a little bit more because of, like, you know, like the design, more or less. As of right now, January 5th. 2022, silver is at, let me see, $22.85. If the market right now is at $22.85, that means the silver went down on me by a couple cents. Because at that time on December 23rd, it was $22.99. $22.99. But here we're gonna roll montage real quick. And this is our silver that we got. Alright guys, you seen the montage. So how'd you like your little gift that I got you, your first piece of silver?
I love it.
What?
I said I love it.
Oh. Nah, I just had to have her speak up a little bit. But I really like my piece. And like I said, 1 ounce. So she got her 1 ounce. But that was it. It was a short little video. Alright guys, see you later. We'll be back with another video of obviously JM Bullion and maybe one of our other stuff that's out there. But for now, take care. Deuces.